Elements of Fourth Grade Art by me. Today we begin with color. Color is the appearance of objects or light sources described in terms of a person's perception of their hue and lightness or brightness and saturation. Hue is a particular gradation of color, or a spectral color. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and when mixed together, for example, blue and yellow, make a secondary color like green. Texture. In the visual arts, texture is the perceived surface quality of a work of art, so the way it feels or looks. Form. At its most basic, a form is a three-dimensional geometrical figure. It could be a sphere, cube, cylinder, cone, whatever. Lines. Look around and see how many lines you can discover. All lines have a beginning, middle, and end. If you start with a dot, then make the dot across the surface and end with another dot, you have a line. Space refers to distances or areas around, between, or within components of a piece. For example, the equal symmetrical space between the picture of the cat on the right. Value. Value or tone refers to the use of light and dark, shade and highlight in an artwork. Black and white photography depends entirely on value to divide its subjects. Value is directly related to contrast, how dark or bright it is. Now we move on to the principles of art. First, we begin with emphasis. Emphasis is the point of attraction in a piece of art that draws the viewer's eye. If something in a piece of art has emphasis and it stands out among other shapes, lines, and viewing points of the painting and drawing. Unity. Unity is the wholeness that is achieved through the effective use of the elements and principles of art. The arrangement of elements and principles to create a feeling of completeness. Balance. Balance is arranging the elements so that no one part of a work overpowers or seems heavier than any other part. Pattern and rhythm. Pattern and rhythm, also known as repetition, is showing consistency with colors or lines. Proportion. Proportion is a measurement of the size and quantity of elements within a composition.